Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and
First step guys, you need to disconnect your car battery. Now we have a special video on our channel that explains which battery terminal you should disconnect first and which one you reconnect first. Otherwise, you can burn modules, computers that can cost you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So that's what we'll be doing next.
Step by step, stay with us, we'll explain what you need to do, where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way do not waste money and time. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we guys continue, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to take it completely apart and make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos and show you how to fix pretty much anything from transmissions, engines to interior bodywork, fuses, relays, also engine codes, transmission codes, all that stuff. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video guys. We have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Hopefully they will be helpful. Please subscribe.
For the first step guys, you need to disconnect your car battery. Now we have a special video on our channel that explains which battery terminal you should disconnect first and which one you reconnect first. Otherwise, you can burn modules, computers that can cost you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So that's what we'll be doing next. So guys, here what we need to do. We need to get a plastic prying removal tool guys, okay. And let me show you now. We're going to start, okay, prying that panels out. Okay, it just has a few clips here and there. Just careful not to damage it, right? So you're going to go ahead, pry it out. You might need to help it here and there a few places. Perfect, it comes out. What do we need to do now, guys? We need to disconnect. Our wiring here. So here we have one for the ignition switch. Let's disconnect that one. And what we can do now, we can actually, guys, okay, let me see if we can flip it on top now. Okay, perfect, it will reach like this one. Now here we need to get a Torx, guys, Torx 20, or I'm using 15, but I think it's 20. Right here we have one screw right here that we need to remove, as you can see. So that's what we're doing now. Then we need to go ahead and do that one over here. Okay, perfect. After that, guys, okay, we need to go ahead and let me close the ashtray here. Okay, let's see what else we have holding here. Okay, it came loose on that side. A couple clips here, a couple clips there. It comes out. Now here on the bottom, what do we need to do? These connectors you need to press here in the middle and you need to slide that piece over. Now you need to do that with two hands. Check this thing out. Slide it, disconnect it. Careful not to scratch things as well. Here as well, the same thing on this side. Press in the middle, go ahead, go to the back, it comes out, right? Okay, now that's, guys, okay, the climate control here you can see together, okay, with the radio CD buttons. I want to show you here something, guys. If you want to just remove the climate control, what you need to do, you need to disconnect now the screws. To remove it, disconnect that connector here, but most of the times, okay, you can just remove these ones right there, you can see, and take them out. But most of the times when you buy a replacement second-hand one, it will come put together like this one here. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.
So guys, once you remove it out, okay, you can see the bottom section is the climate control section. This is the radio controls right here. Now that thing, guys, okay, if you want to separate it, practically, you need to take the screws off, okay? You need to take screws off right here, here, and that climate control assembly, the whole assembly will come out. And you can separate it that way, okay, from the radio controls. Most of the times, when you buy a used one, it will come together, just as one piece. And if that's the case, okay, just make sure you get the correct one. For instance, you may have heated seats, not have heated seats. This one now we retrofitted the massaging heated ventilated seats, and we have the buttons, extra buttons for ventilated and heated seats. The massaging function is on the door panel, but make sure you get the correct one. We always recommend, okay, to check the part numbers to make sure you get the correct one as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.